Hello friends, in my last video I have explained Unit 1 review in which we have talked about two concepts, that is consecutive numbers and write in expanded form. Now in today we will move forward towards the next question, which is given write greater than equal to or less, greater than less than or equal to. So students, for comparing the numbers, what we will do, we will compare each digit of the given number based on their places, and accordingly we will put the symbol in between them. It means we will compare the digits which is given in both the side of the number. We will compare the places and which one will be the greater, we will put the greater sign, or if they both are equal, so we will put equal sign. So let us see. In your exercise, two numbers are given. The first number is 3470 and the next number is 1256. So how we comes to know which number is greater? So as we compare each digit, this is ones, tens, 100,000, and again ones, tens, 100,000. So this number showing the thousand values. So if we read these numbers, it is 3470 and this is 1256. As 3000 is greater than 1000, it means this number is greater than this. So according to the thousand place, as 3 is greater than 1, so this is the greater number. Now see the next example. Now see, here also two numbers are given, 2893 and 2839. So we have to compare these numbers, which one is the greater one and which one the smaller one. So if you see here, thousand place, in both number thousand place same. Here also 2000, here also 2000. So let's look 100 place. Now see, at the 100 place it is 8, and here also at the 100 place it is 8. Both this 1000 and 100 place, these both numbers are same. So if we see its tens place and this tens place, now here 9 is greater than 3. 9 is greater than 3, it means its tens place is greater than this number's tens place. So this means this number is greater than this number, because this tens place denotes 90 and this tens place denotes 30 only. So 90 is greater than 30, so this number is greater than this number. Now see the next number, I think you can do by yourself. Now see, this is also 4-digit number. Both the numbers are of 4 digits. Ones, tens, 100,000. Ones, tens, 100,000. By simply seeing the 1000 place, you can understand as 4 is less than 5. It means this is the greater number than this. So we will put the greater symbol towards 5731. Now the next number is 8477. We have to compare this number to 8747. Now again what we are saying here, that 1000 place are same. So we will see, look towards the 100 place. Now this 100 place is 4 and here 100 place is 7. If we talk about this 100 place, this 4 denotes 400, whereas this 7 denotes 700. So this 400 is less than 700, so this number is greater than this number. So 8747 is greater than 8477. Yes students, it is very easy by finding the place value and comparing both the digits. According to their place value, we can find out which number is greater, which one is smaller, and whether they are equal or not. Now your next question is write in ascending order. Here A, B, C, 3 sets of numbers are given and you have to arrange these sets in the ascending order. First of all, we should know what is ascending order. What is ascending order? When numbers are arranged from the smallest number to the largest number are called ascending order. It means these numbers, this group of number, we will arrange this number from the smallest one till the largest one. We will arrange this number according to their place value and finding which one the smallest one, then bigger than that, then bigger than that, and finally the biggest one. Now if you see A1, in this set the numbers are 5674, 4567, 7040, 8147 and 3268. So we have to find out first which number is the smallest one from these numbers. So if we talk about the hundreds place of all the numbers, thousand place, sorry. So what we are seeing here, 3000 is the smallest one. So the smallest number will be 3268. Then after 3000, the next number is 4567. Then which number is bigger than 4567? 5674. Then which number is bigger than this number? 7040. And finally the biggest number is 8147. So this is the order which is in the ascending from smallest to largest one, biggest one. The smallest 3000, 4000, 5000, 7000, 8000. Similarly, in next example, now you can see 8975, 8759, 7643, 9321 and 8530. So these numbers also you have to arrange from smallest to biggest. So which number have the less value, that will be the smallest. Now if you compare the thousand place, it is 88798. So these all three thousands places are 8 and 9 is bigger than 8. So which one is the smallest one? This is. So first number will be 7643. This is the smallest one. Then 8900, 8700 and 8500. So 8530. After that, then after this 8759, 8975 and finally the biggest number is 9321. So this is the ascending order for this numbers. Now see 1200, 100, 1020, 1002, 2001, 2010. So many times you get confused in such type of numbers and your arrangement gets wrong. So be carefully arrange it. So here you can see 1002 is the smallest one, then 1020. After 1020, 1200 is the smallest one. After 1200 you can see 2000 came. It is the sequence of 1000. Now it is 2000, 2001 and finally 2010. So the ascending order for this group of number is 1002, 1020, 1200, 2001 and 2020. So students, this is the ascending order of the given numbers. So we have finished question number 4 also.